Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving to the Manley International Airport. We are driving on the Palisades Strip that will take us to the airport. Now, the Manley International Airport, formerly known as the Palisades Airport, is an international airport located in Kingston, Jamaica. It serves the city of Kingston, which has a population of over 1 million people. And it serves basically you have 3 international airports in Jamaica. There's Manley International Airport in Kingston, the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay, and the Ian Fleming International Airport in Ocho Rios. Now, so the Manley International Airport serves the eastern end of the island, while the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay will serve the western end. The Ian Fleming International Airport, it's more for small planes, and it's more like it can't land the big planes because of the size of the runway. So it's more for the private jets, the small jets. Now, the Manley International Airport, it's located on the Palisades Strip, which is where we are driving now. This is the Palisades Strip in Outer Kingston, in the Outer Kingston Harbor, with the city of Kingston on one side and the Caribbean Sea on the other side. The airport is named after Jamaican statesman Norman Washington Manley and serves as a hub for Caribbean Airlines. Now, before Caribbean Airlines, there was Air Jamaica, and this was the hub for Air Jamaica. It is currently operated by the Grupo Aéreo del Pacífico, which is a Mexican company. Now, they have the concession to operate the airport, but the airport is owned by the Jamaican government, but it's operated under a concession agreement by this company. Now, this Manley International Airport is the second busiest airport in Jamaica. The Sangster International Airport is the busiest airport, and that's because you have tourists going into the Sangster International Airport. 85% of all the tourists use the Sangster International Airport. And you have more people visiting the island than you have Jamaicans traveling. So that's why the Sangster International Airport is the busiest. Now, although the Manley International Airport only gets 15% of the tourists, it gets 90% of all of the air cargo that comes into Jamaica. Now, Jamaica's aviation industry dates back to December 21st, 1911, when the first flight was reported on the island. In December 1930, the first commercial flight, a consolidated Commodore twin-engine flying boat operated by Pan American Airways, landed in Kingston. In 1947, the Civil Aviation Department was established, followed by Kingston Air Traffic Control Center in 1948. In the same year, the Palisades Airport was renamed the Manley International Airport, and the Montego Bay Airport was renamed the In 1948, that is when the Palisades Airport, which is now the Manley International Airport, and Montego Airport, which is now the Sangster International Airport, were established. The airport is served by over 130 international flights weekly, and the airport serves destinations across the Americas, Europe, and the Caribbean. Alright guys, so we're now driving up to the terminal. Straight ahead is the departure terminal. That's where you go when you're leaving the country. It was recently renovated, and as we circle the airport, you're going to come up on the arrival area. Alright guys, so enjoy the rest of the tour. This is the departure area. Sorry, the departure terminal. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour and leave your comments in the section below. So on the left now, that's the new air traffic tower that was built. You can see that tall building on the left. And then this is now the arrival area that we're coming up to. Alright guys, remember to like, share and subscribe and leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.